Are you ready to go outside?
Okay.
All right, let's go. Ready to go. You want to see the snow?
Snow.
All right, here we go. In the snow.
Here.
Step. Stay right there. Let me close the door so we don't freeze. You're going to fall. Mom's probably going to fall too.
Mom.
Here we go. You ready?
Here.
You ready?
Mommy up.
All right, go ahead. Step.
Mama.
Step. Come here.
Mommy up.
Mommy up. Okay, hold on.
Hold
There you go. Satisfy your grandmother?
on.
Want to satisfy your grandmother? What are you doing?
Mommy. Okay, Mama.
What do you think?
Mommy up.
Do you hate it?
Mama.
Tell Grandma, say, I hate it. Tell Grandma. Do you hate it? See, ha, Grandma, I hate it. Way to torture your child. Thanks, Grandma.